Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. On today's episode, we've got something a little bit different for you. So we're going to time how long it takes us to take an engine out of a Kia Sportage, a road going car. I think a lot of people out there want to know what sort of time efficiency it takes to get an engine out of a car. And today we're going to show you that. So I hope you enjoy this one. It is a little bit different, but I enjoyed making it and it was a good laugh.
Hey, go on then.
Right, anyway, we're going to try and take this engine out. We're going to try and show you how to do some of the parts properly, professionally. Unfortunately, some of the parts have already been stripped because some of the parts of this car have already been sold. But we're going to at least try and show you, demonstrate to you how quickly, efficiently you can actually take an engine out without having to worry about too much stuff in the way and bits and pieces. We're going to try and use the minimal amount of equipment as well, so you can try and do it on your driveway too. So, are you ready, Brad? 6 p.m. We're going to time it, see how long it takes us to take this engine out and get everything done.
That's right, you heard it here. The bumper has already been taken off. However, all we're doing here is just stripping all the sensors off, all the little clips, all the earths, everything like that. Just getting them all out of the way so we can start tearing this thing down. Gonna see how long it takes us to get this engine out. It's currently 2 minutes past 6. Let's see how we do. And the guy I'm with, by the way, his name is Pav.
You sound like one of them American kids.
And it's just basically, yeah, that's it. Top hose, bottom hose, bish bash bosh.
We have just stripped the induction kit out, the airbox, so it's a couple 12mm bolts and a couple pipes on Jubilees. It is Japanese, so you ain't got your common 10, 13s, 17s, 19s. It's like 11mm, 12mm. So we're just getting the wiring harnesses out of the way. The gear selectors are held on by, they look like R-clips. So what I'm doing here is just getting a screwdriver in, popping them out, pulling the linkage off, and then I'm putting the clip straight back in. So if you were coming back to fit it and whatnot, you've got the bit there, it's all together. It's like when you take nuts and bolts out, once you take that part off, you put the bolts back in. That way you don't lose them. As you can see, the time is now 20 past 6. We've been working on this for 18 minutes. Leave a comment down below on how long you think this took us to take this engine out of this car. And whilst you're at it, you may as well leave a like, comment and a subscribe.
Shit, I've lost the fucking socket. Unless you've nicked it, you prick.
No, I ain't fucking moved. Is that my socket?
No, it's my socket. You've nicked my socket.
Why does your socket look like my socket?
Because that's my fucking socket.
That's my fucking socket.
That's my fucking
I bet it's
socket.
a 12.
And it is fucking a 12.
Yeah, and I'm missing a 12 right there.
No, sorry, mine's up there.
Yeah, well then. Fuck you. I'll accept your apology, mate.
And just because you've got your little snap on set, yeah, because you're too tight to actually. Stop making me giggle like a little bitch, right? Let me focus on this. It's off. It's off. It's off. Oh, mate, we're going to lose about an hour with this one plug.
Right, what is this sensor we're having trouble with?
Right, well, this sensor here is the pressure sensor that controls a lot of the vacuum systems.
Hands in the way.
I'm fucking sorry, I got fucking gorilla hands, right? Right, hang on. I'll try and come from underneath
That's better.
to make it super awkward for myself. What's that? Yeah, that'd be marvellous if you could. Yeah, that'd be great. Right, so we're trying to take this plug off, but unfortunately, it's proving to be slightly stuck in terms of it's
Not coming out.
It's not coming out.
After around 30 minutes of just trying to get that one plug off, we finally got it off. So now we can move the whole wire and loom out the way, unplug the last little few bits. Now it's time to get it up in the air, drop that coolant.
The bottom end.
Yeah, that's bottom end. So basically what happened, this crankshaft, the con rod there, right, had come loose.
Yeah.
And it hasn't damaged the crankshaft or anything. It was weird because I just switched it off at the time. And yeah, one of these bolts here had literally just like popped out and it started like shaking. I thought it was a timing chain. That's why I started taking the timing cover off.
Yeah.
But it turned out it wasn't. Babe, I'm literally in the middle of taking an engine out doing a YouTube video. Can I please bring you back later? Right, fucking Brad just fucking shut himself. Right, Kia have got a really cool system on the radiators. The radiator locating plug here has also got a little wing nut at the back here, and basically if you just undo the wing nut here, like this, undo it far enough, it should let the coolant out.
Oh, through that? Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
And then you don't have to get the coolant everywhere, so it drains it out for you quite nicely.
It's going to take ages.
Yeah, but it's still draining it, and
We're in a race
making a
to
mess.
get it out quick, aren't we? Yeah, let me just chop this pipe.
Yeah, but I just thought I'd show you the really nifty, cool idea Kia have if you ever wanted to change your radiator.
Well, that's not too bad, is it? It's quite smart.
We remembered we were against a clock here, so for quickness we took the bottom hose off the radiator and just let it pour out quickly.
Really making me want to go for a piss right now. Should we have
Just take the last remaining pipe off of the radiator, undo the last few bolts holding the front end on, and then that's ready to come off so we can access everything else a lot easier.
Yeah.
Jack it up, leave it on the It's a big, ginormous black splodge right underneath there, yeah. No, not on your chin, I mean like right there.
Oh. Because you just touched me.
No!
Oh, God.
That's making it worse.
Fucking Jesus.
This is one of the many times that Pav hurt himself during this video.
What'd you do?
Hip fingers. I'm telling you, I'm going to see how many times I can hurt myself today.
And drop
You got a lock in that. Time is now currently 5 to 7. 55 minutes in. Nearly ready to drop out, innit?
I reckon another 45 minutes.
What? Nah.
What's that? Oh, snatch. 2 minutes. Text us, right? When's the sausages ready? 5 minutes. You said that 5 minutes ago. 2 minutes.
So now we take both front wheels off to access the wishbones. What we're doing is undoing only one bolt on the wishbone so we can pull it out the way, as you can see there, and then we can get in with the pry bar and pop the drive shafts out, because we need this car back on all four wheels at the end of it to push it out of the workshop.
So you've done everything on the floor?
Yeah.
I used to do that when I was an apprentice, bro.
Well, we do everything on the floor, anywhere, whatever.
Oh, yeah, because you're a truck mechanic.
No, even like race cars and shit like that. Like we've built the cars from.
Well, you've done it all on the floor?
Yeah. We've
You
never
poor
had...
man.
No.
You poor man.
No, because then people rely on lifts and that, and it's just like, do you know what I mean? You can do everything.
No, I rely on my back being good when I'm 60.
Do you know what? I've never used a wibbly wobbly neither.
Oh, man, you could have writ that. You could not have writ that. I hope one of the cameras is caught
that one might have.
I have got another 17.
You got a rag? Make sure your sockets are attached. Otherwise you end up in the oil tray. Hour and 8 minutes on the clock. Bar undo the engine mounts, drop it out.
So now we're just getting the engine crane in place, and this comes with two chains that you strap to the engine. So there'll be one on one side where you can see me feeding it in, and you just put the pin in. Same on the other side, put the pin in. These mounting points are on every single engine from production line. So you can do this with any car, and this is the chain ready for the engine hoist.
I've never used a wobbly, innit? So I'm not using
ratchet spanner.
Yeah.
You're literally using a wobbly fucking ratchet spanner. I don't use wobblies.
Have I got shit on my nose?
What?
No. I thought I had shit on my face.
What time is it? Mate, you've literally wasted like 10 minutes of my time with getting
So,
out.
because someone forgot to take the exhaust off,
Literally.
we're now on nearly 7:30.
Yeah, so basically what
Messing
you should
around
have done,
for 20 minutes.
what you should have done was that, right, like that. Then what you should have done again was, try not to lose socket this time, this as well, look. That's why you get a wobbly and again. That don't fit.
See what I mean? Wouldn't have had that problem if you just put a spanner on it.
Yeah, but you wouldn't have got a spanner in there. Why has that only got that spanner?
Dead battery.
No.
Huh?
Oh, this gun's fucked.
You are?
This gun's fucked. I think it's back to my bottom. You dropped in that cunt in oil as well.
Nah, it didn't, did it? See this up and down stuff? That's what takes a lot of time. See if you're on your back. You've just been boom, 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 up, down, up, down.
Yeah, and then in 20 years' time, we'll be like, yeah, boom, boom, you ain't got no back. Boom, boom. You know what I mean?
Well, technically, I've been doing it since I was like 10.
What?
I've been doing fucking around with cars since I was like 10, 11, whenever my dad let me. Oh, what are we doing now?
I don't know. You chatting about fucking taking exhausts off like a gyppo. Not that I've got anything against gypsies.
Sounds
but
like you do,
They do
mate.
like to partially possess other people's DPFs.
Harshly possessed.
It's like on a long term, I'm having that is mine now basis. Which I've got nothing against, just as long as it's not mine.
Someone else's.
I don't care if they're someone else's. Oh, there is another fucking bolts on the other side.
Mate, stop putting it up, just crawl under.
No, I'm not crawling under.
It's your forfeit, isn't it?
No, I'm not crawling under. Look at the fucking floor, mate.
So?
Right. And then do it, and then at least I know for the next Nissan Duke, we've got everything there. It's like boom, 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 smash it out. Because we've got like fucking 10 Dukes to do. And then we can like literally time ourselves, see how quicker we can get along.
I like how, yeah, he's saying we have 10 jukes to do, innit?
Yeah.
Like, I'm part of your company.
Now that exhaust bolt is removed, it was time to jack it up and pull the engine out using the crane. So we done all this in an hour and 42 minutes, which I think is very, very good going. So if anyone else has done it out there quicker, let us know in the comments. If you've learnt anything, let me know in the comments. That is all we have time for on today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've enjoyed it. It is something new to the channel, but this is the sort of thing we're going to be introducing. We're going to be doing. We've got something else major coming up on next episode. So make sure you subscribe, you liked it. Let me know what you think. If you've learned anything, drop it in the comments. If you didn't like it, let me know. I'm looking for any sort of feedback, whether you enjoyed this sort of series or you didn't. But we have got a big series coming up that is going to be quite an ongoing series. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you next week.